Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my cousin, Chavela, and today we are going to be doing the no mirror makeup challenge.
I'm so scared for this. I feel like my makeup.
Okay, so basically, yes, we're doing our makeup, but we're not looking, so who knows how it's gonna come out.
I'm ready.
Okay, what should we start with?
Okay.
Eyebrows?
Yeah, we're starting with our eyebrows. I don't even know where my eyebrows are.
I know I can like brush them, I just can't like.
So next we're doing the eyeshadow. So I'm using the MAC Studio All About Me Eyes. I'm using this color, it's like a yellowish nudish.
I'm gonna use the same one, but I'm gonna do a color. Let's do this one right here. This pink one, I don't.
Okay. The next thing we're gonna do is the eyeliner.
Oh.
So I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade of dark brown.
I'm using e.l.f. and it's just black. I don't usually wear eyeliner, so this is gonna be interesting.
Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is the mascara and eyelashes. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara. It is the shade C138.
Okay, I'm going to use the Maybelline Volume Express, and it comes with a one for the lower, and this one is for the upper.
Eyelashes, I'm going with more of like a natural eyelash kind of thing, and I don't know the brand of them because these ones I am reusing these ones. Next, I'm gonna use the Dove lotion to moisturize my face before I put my foundation on.
We just post a picture of us doing our video.
Okay. So next, I am going in with my foundation, and I'm gonna use, for the first one, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation.
The one I have is the Wet n Wild foundation in golden beige as awesome.
And then when I'm done with that, I usually use the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation, and I usually use this brush. I actually forgot what the name of this brush was, but I use this brush to blend it all in. Next, we're gonna contour. I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Next, we're gonna use the contour bronzer palette. So next, I'm gonna go in with the Glamour Radiant Highlight, and I'm gonna use my fan brush, and I'm gonna go in with Starstruck, and for the inner corner of my eyes I'm gonna use Charmed. Gonna use lipstick, and I think I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. in the shade Rich Red.
I'm going to use this L'Oreal in the shade Zoe's Red.
And then to set it, I'm gonna use a Knobby Matte Makeup Setting Spray.
And I'm going to use this one. It's rose water. I don't know. Smoke and Mirrors.
Okay, and this is our finishing look, guys. Okay, now we're going to look at our end results and see how we like it. Oh my god!
I'm scared.
Bro, look at my eyebrow!
Yeah, let's just keep okay.
This one's coming off. Oh, my lipstick came out good. Mine kind of didn't come out that bad.
Bro,
It
it's
kind of
so
came out so bad. In a way. I would rate myself a 5 on this look because like it's not ugly, but it's not cute. Like,
Bro, what the heck? What even is it?
whoa! I didn't blend it all the way. I felt like I was like touching my eyebrows when I blended it, so I didn't want to go too low.
This eyelash isn't coming on.
Mine too.
Hey, but for my first time doing it, it doesn't.
I know. For the first time doing it without a mirror,
I know this.
I'm proud of myself. This came out really, really good.
Bro, I look like a crack. Hey, my eyebrows actually came out pretty good.
Yeah.
My eyeliner.
So what's the best thing that you like about your face right now? It came out the best.
Nothing. Probably my eyebrows.
Yeah, I think your
I
eyebrows.
would say my eyebrows are the best.
I think my lips came out the best and my cheek highlight. Like my cheekbones highlight. my eyebrows. What are you doing? What are they doing?
I think for me not really ever doing my eyelashes. If I could do them like this, then I could probably do them better with them.
With the mirror.
with the mirror, I could do them way better. Bro, hey, my highlights pretty good. My nose, I didn't right here.
Oh, you didn't even blend your nose.
No, and I didn't blend
And you
them.
missed the house spot.
Pretty good. Think you got a new prom look.
Ew. Please don't do that. Alright guys, so that was the end of our video.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to like and subscribe and share and turn on your post notifications every time I post it.